This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Weekly wrap-up: a 165 megawatt isobutane heat pump. For Mannheim, Danfoss's new CO2 EEV, Zero Zones factory expansion, and more. By Michael Heinz. Published October 31st, 2025. Strabag Umwelttechnik. Building world's largest heat pump in Germany. Germany-based environmental technology company Strabag Umwelttechnik announced it is building a 165 megawatt isobutane heat pump for a district heating network in Mannheim, Germany, which it said will be the largest heat pump in the world once complete. It's being built for the energy company MVV Energy AG and will use the Rhine River as its heat source. The heat will be raised to 130 degrees Celsius, 266 degrees Fahrenheit, and will supply up to 40,000 households in the Rhine-Neckar metropolitan area with heat. It will be delivered in 2 modules each with a heating capacity of 82.5 megawatts, with construction set to begin in mid-2026. Danfoss introduces new EEV for CO2 refrigeration systems. Danfoss has launched the ETS-5T, a new electronic expansion valve, EEV for CO2 refrigeration systems, with a capacity of 4 to 19 kilowatts. It's based on the ETS-5M, designed for use with synthetic low GWP refrigerants, which is the smallest EEV on the market, according to Danfoss. The 5T has a maximum working pressure of 140 bar, 2,030 pounds per square inch, and a maximum operating pressure differential of 120 bar, 1,740 bar, and can support a refrigerant and ambient temperature range from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius, -40 to 80 degrees Celsius, 176 degrees Fahrenheit. The 5T is an ideal choice for transport air conditioning systems, condensing units, display cases and cabinets, and reversible systems, said Danfoss. Zero Zone Expanding Systems Division. American manufacturer Zero Zone is expanding its refrigeration systems factory in Ramsey, Minnesota, by 57,000 square feet, 5,295 square meters, with the expansion scheduled for completion by the end of 2026. The company shared the news with naturalrefrigerants.com via email, with general contractor Bauer Design Build posting about the expansion on its Facebook page. Zero Zone said the expansion will support production, product testing, and training, with production capacity for larger, more advanced refrigeration systems, increasing by 30%. Zero Zone builds commercial and industrial racks and chillers using synthetic refrigerants as well as CO2 and ammonia. Pakistan ratifies the Kigali Amendment. Pakistan has ratified the Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol, becoming the 6th country in 2025 to ratify the Kigali Amendment. The others are Brunei, the Central African Republic, Nepal, St. Kitts and Nevis, and Saudi Arabia. To date, 169 countries have ratified the Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol, with 2024 seeing 8 new ratifications.